Dan, is that was consistency and fireworks. Marketing analogy is awesome and can be replicated in various different parts of life. For example, in nature connection, consistency would be barefoot walking, earthing, grounding every day, 365, getting your feet on the grass, on the edge of the waves every day, connecting with nature like that for your feet. The fireworks could be going up Helvellyn, going up Snowdon, even going up Moel Famau Scouse mountain, like a big event that you do on the weekend, the fireworks. But for me, both important, but more important is the consistency of connecting with nature every day, getting your green time between screen time every day. So is right, Dan. Consistency and fireworks. Have a boss day, fella.